Ankush. I represent Team ACube. The problem statement that we have chosen is how small and home based businesses who did not have cash revenues, robust supply chain, nor the tools to market themselves will survive this lockdown. Let me give you an example. Think about Radha, a home based baker. She makes cakes for a living. How will she survive this lockdown? As another example, think of Shyam, who is a home based artificial jewelry maker and have 2 employees. How will he pay to the employees if he has no revenue coming in? Now, let me tell you why this is an urgent problem. Unemployment rate at 24% in April 2020 and will continue to be much higher than the 7.8 pre-COVID rate. Also, the latest push by the government to go local will urge customers to opt for local, hyperlocal, on-demand products that can cater to their needs. Third, additionally, these businesses are looking for new options to come out of this crisis. Another point is, India has growing middle class with disposable income looking for custom unique products and services which these small businesses create. As we all know, urban India workforce has now access to information technology, and everyone in India are looking for better alternatives to imported products. This is a web and mobile based platform. A customer will first post his requirement on the web platform. That requirement will then be sent to the different makers in that area. Each of the maker can then quote for that requirement within a limited time period. Once the customer has received all these quotes, he can then proceed to the payment process. Once the customer has completed the payment process, the maker will be notified and he can start making the product. Once the product is made, a delivery person will pick it up from the maker and deliver it to the customer. On successful delivery, the payment will be transferred to the maker. The customer can then provide feedback on the product. This same process can be applied to service industry as well. With this platform, a customer can find businesses around him. He can support these small businesses while contributing to Make in India. We can have verified businesses on the platform, and customer can select a quote based on the verified reviews and comments. Additional services as secure payments and fast doorstep delivery and services will also be provided. Hope you like our idea. Thank you so much for listening.